Hello everyone, welcome back to mathsmood. Happy to see you here. Really interesting algebra problem today. We have square root of 2 to the x times square root of 7 to the x equal to 196. And we need to find our x from this equation. On the first side, this equation is real hard because we have square root sign, we have powers, we have all different bases, we have constant on the right. But it's really good that we have multiplying right here. So we're multiplying these two elements. And this problem is really good for those who don't know about properties with square root, if we have multiplication, or if we have different powers or different bases, same exponent. So this video is about these rules, and stay with me and you will be really enjoying this video. Okay, we have this expression on the left, but we want to know that square root of a times square root of b, it is equal to square root of a times b. Yeah, so this is the first and really important rule. If we have different bases, we have square, so we can easily use this rule right here. So write in this multiplication under this square root sign. So let's use this rule right here. This is our a, this is our b. So we have square root of 2 to the x times square root of, not square root, but 7 to the x equal to 196. Yeah, so we have this moment. And right now we need to know the second really important rule. So we have this expression 2 to the x times 7 to the x, but it is the same as a to the x times b to the x. So different bases but same exponent. How can we simplify this? Knowing properties with the powers, we have a times b to the power x. Yeah, so we just can write it as a product and raised to the power x. And let's use this rule right here. This is our a, this is our b. So we have square root of 2 times 7 raised to the power x equal to 196. Okay, I hope you understand this step. Two really important rules. First rule and the second rule. Nothing hard, I guess. Okay, we have 2 times 7. It is equal to 14. So square root of 14 to the x equal to 196. And how can we solve it mathematically real quick? But first of all, I want to write, for example, this moment. If we have, for example, cube's root of a to the fifth power, if we have this expression, we can write this square root sign or cube root sign, doesn't matter. We can write it in another way. So we can write it as a to the power 5 over 3. So this 3 go as a denominator to this 5. Yeah, so we can write it in another way. And let's use this property right here. We have 2. We don't write it as well, but we have 2 right here. So we can write it as 14 to the power x over 2, which is equal to 196. Yeah? So I hope you understand this step. This is the third really important moment right now. Let's go next. 196. If you look closely, we can write this 196 as 14 square, because 14 times 14 equal to 196. And finally, we have same basis, and we have exponent right here, and we have exponent, but not exponent, this is our power. So one and only case that this equation works, have root of course, is when x over 2 equal to 2. And from here, x equal to 4. This is our solution. We can check it real quick. So if we raise 2 to the 4th, or we have right here, we have 2 to the 4th times 7 to the 4th equal to 196. This 4 and this square root sign we can cancel. Right here 2, right here 2. So we have 4 times 49. Multiplying, and I guess this is absolutely correct. This is our answer. If you still have any question, write a question in the comment. I try to help everyone, and thank you so much for watching. If it's not hard to you, leave a like, write any comment. It's really important for me and I really appreciate it. It helps me a lot to improve my videos, and it keeps my channel alive because it's hard times right now, and your support is really important. Thank you and see you in the next videos.